welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will solve the 4 marks question which is asked in CBSE exam. So here one person table is given which has 7 columns and 7 rows. So degree will be the number of columns, that means 7, and number of rows, that is cardinality. So here cardinality of this table person is 7. First, this question can be asked from this exam. This degree and cardinality concept is clear that number of rows will be 7 and number of columns will be 7. PID, surname, first name, gender, city, pin code, basic salary, that is the column name, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is your rows. So first we will write cardinality, number of rows, that is 7, degree is also 7. Now we will see the next question which can be asked from this person table. You have to write actually queries for this type of question. So next question, what can be asked? Display the surname, first name and cities of the people residing in the Bhavani cities. So city column you can check. Only one person named Jacob Peter Jacob is there, who is residing in the Bhavani city. So answer will be select. Display is written, so you have to write the select command, and surname, first name and cities, only 3 column you have to display. So output will be select surname, comma, first name, comma, city, comma, city. Exact column name you should mention from person table, from persons, from is a keyword, persons table name, where city is equal to Bhavani. String data type you should write in the quotes. So select surname, comma, first name, comma, city from persons where city is equal to Bhavani. It is persons, as should be there. So now next display the PID, pin code, city in descending order of pin codes. Descending order of pin code. So you have to use order by clause. Here select, for display you will use select PID. How many column you want to display? PID, comma, pin code, comma, city, from, again table name, from, persons, order by space should be there. Generally commonly mistake is there that you will not write space. So order by pin code, DESC, it is in descending. By default order by will give ascending order, so we will write DESC clause. So DESC, order by pin code, DESC. Now third question is display the first name and city of all females getting basic salary above 40,000. So select, how many column you have to display? Only 2. Select first name, comma, city, from, persons. Here 2 conditions are given. Female having salary greater than 40,000. Where basic salary, that column you should mention. Basic salary greater 40,000 and gender should be female. City of all females written. So gender is equal to F, semicolon. Now the next question is display the first name, basic salary of all those person whose first name starts with G. So first name only, the output will be Garima and 33,000. So how you will write the query? First you have, for display you have to use select only. Select first name, comma, basic salary from persons where G name, where first name like here like operator you should use like G %, that means the value which is starting with G, the first name which is starting with G will be displayed. So output will be Garima and 33,000. I hope this 4 marks question is clear to you, all of you. So in the coming videos we will solve much more questions than this, at least 20 to 30 questions for practice. If you want more such videos, subscribe the channel for latest updates. Share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.